Okay, let's have another amazing 5-minute ICC auto pairing. So, let's see what this brings. Bloomer. Let's try e4, and maybe I'm going to try and provoke e5 for a laugh. To try a d5 positional strategy. Unless quick d4 is allowed with something else. Okay, now d4 here. This is interesting. And if I took on c6, I go for some sort of h-file attack. Trying to take my opponent a little bit out of territory. That looks wrong to me. Just simply wrong. It's fractured pawns, h-file pressure. So if I play bishop g5, does black actually want to exchange off bishops? Okay, I'll give the f2 pawn for some development. King still in the centre. Now, okay, it's knight a4 if nothing else. I think surely I can just use some opening up here. Just, I don't know. It looks tempting just to try and smash black with bishop d5 or knight d5. Then rook e1, bishop e6, bishop d5. Mind you, I'm going to get mated on b2 if I'm not careful. What about bishop h6 to start things off? I'll try and get rid of this dangerous bishop. Mind you, he could take on c3 and a4, I guess. That basically forces bishop d5. Things are really going to kick off now. Because there's a3 on the cards, potentially. I've got this check and queen d5. Hitting the rook. Rook b8. Am I going to be in big trouble? Which king's going to get it first?
Check.
So queen d5, there's rook b8. Don't really want to do that. There's queen d7 there. I do. Rook b8, queen d7, that's an invisible attacking resource here. Let's support the fun there. Okay. Queen g5 here? Queen f6 or something? There's a3 on the cards. I suppose queen g5, the rook e6 doesn't do anything. Fe, I assume it doesn't do anything. I think queen g5 looks kind of plausible. Can't really see. There's queen c4. For queen a4, that could be dangerous. Queen c4, a3, queen a4. Rook d1, king takes d1. Try and keep the pressure. There's queen b1 check. There's bishop c1 there. Castle. Rook e6. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I want that pin necessarily on my queen. Maybe just queen g5, a3. It just seems dangerous. A3, rook d8, queen d8. Trying this queen c4 again. Rook d1, king d1, queen b1, bishop c1, castles. I can't. I think I have to go with queen g5. This a3 looks dangerous.
Check.
Right. Well, he can't castle right now, but a3 does look dangerous. Maybe it doesn't matter about the check for king d2 at the moment. So what about just rook? If I play rook d4, bishop a2, or just queen f6 doesn't actually threaten anything just yet. Oh, it might threaten bishop g5. Okay, I'll go with that. Bishop g5 for rook d8 might be on the cards. Okay, so bishop g5. Now queen b2, king d2. At least it stops knight e7. So I'm playing a piece down here about this queen b2 business. So my king can get over there, then rook d8 will be... Well, I'll be threatening queen d8 anyway after queen b2. Bishop d7, there's rook. Oh, there's minimum rook check. Okay, I'm threatening queen d8 here. So I'm playing king e1, there's queen e5, but then there's rook d8 after. So it doesn't matter, I'm threatening rook d8 now. So queen e5 I just take and then rook d8. Alright, then king f1 for rook e1. Try and change to the other file for a moment. Is there anything better? Rook e1, okay, bishop e6, rook e6, takes. Now king there, bishop h6. Knight e7 I'll just take, of course. So I think rook e1 is a threat. I can't see anything better. The queen moves off. Okay, rook e1 seems to be on the cards. There's queen b5, king g1. I think there's a lot of threats here to deal with. Check there, king g1. Right, I think this one's good. So I can take, check. There's rook. G7, there's queen f6. He's scooping up some material. There's queen g6. How's that ending? There's queen b1 there. What about queen f6 first? Protecting c3, just trying to win the rook. Queen b1. That could be a pain. This knight's going to be checking somewhere. Can I bring my king to g4? Okay, so try and centralize. If I'm going to play g4, try and stabilize the position. Okay, so queen, maybe queen e4, then move the bishop. No, I'll just move the bishop in the wrong place. Whoops. There is bishop h4. I didn't mean to do that. Whoops. That was a mouse slip. Okay, there's g4 here. There's queen h4. This is all very hairy. A piece down, just blunder the piece basically. Has he blundered the pieces? Not really. There's no check on c3 at the moment. Okay.
Time to check.
Okay. Try and keep the pawn strong and go for this a3. He gets my pawn. So unless I'm queening here for 11 seconds, this is getting a bit dangerous. Who's going to queen first? 10 seconds to 15.
Check.
Oh, Oh,
check,
he had the check.
check, 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 check. Check.
Draw. Oh, blimey. What a game. That was much tougher than I imagined. The piece blunder didn't help. Let's just quickly check that position. Wow, bit of a dramatic game there, to say the least. Okay, no, I think I'm going to give analysing that a miss. A bit of a struggle. Hope you enjoyed it. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much. Mind you, hang on. There is a position. There is a position I'd like to check out here. Let's just check out this stuff here. So black is actually better here, it seems. Objectively. I thought I was doing well. I am apparently doing well here. So there was a slip up.
Check.
Taking is correct.
Check.
Taking h6. Queen g6 is more correct. Queen g6. And then if check. I'm protecting c2. That's the crucial point. I'm protecting c2 here, funny enough. And if here I'm winning the rook.
Check.
That should be fine. So I made it a lot more complex than it needs to be. The king checks. Really annoying king checks. One little slip up. Now here I blundered a piece around here with this. But even so, it's not. Okay, it's not totally end of game just yet. In fact, black's advantage is. I should have been equal with king f3. No, f5 as well.
Check.
Apparently this is that's a blunder. Apparently king d4 here. I guess it's about getting this pawn just in time. So this pawn can be got at just in time. Yeah, this would be drawing securely. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.